In this video, I am going to show you how to create a mega menu in Wix. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website and today we are going to create a mega menu for it. So to create a mega menu, just open your Wix website editor. Now to create a mega menu on Wix, at first you need to create a simple menu on Wix. After that, just select it and then click on settings. Now click on set as advanced. Again click on set as advanced. Now to add a mega menu, click add menu item and then select mega menu. Now we are going to give it a name and then click on done. So now we have successfully added a mega menu and now we are going to edit it. So we are going to hover over this container and then click on edit. Now from the left menu, click on add elements. So these are the elements that we can add to our mega menu. You can add text, image, buttons, box, gallery and other elements to your mega menu. Let's say you want to add another menu inside of this mega menu. Then select menu from here. And for the mega menu, we are going to select vertical menu from here. So we are going to select this menu to add to our mega menu. And as you can see that our menu is now added to our mega menu. So we are going to select it and then click on manage menu. And now we are going to hide the pages from this menu that we do not need. So I have hide all the pages that I do not need on this menu. So we are going to close it from here. And now we are going to do settings for this mega menu. So we are going to select this container. And after that we are going to make it a little bit bigger. And then we are going to select this menu. And we are going to add it here. Now if you want to add an image to your mega menu, just select it from here. Just select add elements from here. Select image. Select your image. And now we are going to decrease its size. So after doing all the settings for your mega menu, just click on save from the top. Click on save and continue. And now if I click on preview from the top, and here you will see our mega menu. So if I just hover over it, here you will see the menu that we have created. So this is how you can create a mega menu on Wix. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.